Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute peppermint Christmas hair bow. What you will need: this is 7/8 inch width ribbon, 2 pieces, 12 inches long. 5/8 inch width ribbon, 1 piece, 12 inches long. This is also 5/8 inch ribbon, and this is really pretty glitter ribbon, 2 pieces, 10 inches long. The same ribbon, 3 pieces, 5 inches long. And then I have another piece of the glitter ribbon, 4 inches long, and then I have a 3/8 inch width piece of ribbon, 4 inches long, and this will be to cover my clip. Also 10 inches of bow wire. I have my mini Bodabra, scissors, lighter, and a hot glue gun. Let's get started. Just quickly use the lighter to finish off any frayed edges. First thing we're going to do, take the bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down. I'm going to fold this, fold it down, bring the back up and the front up so I scrunch it, but it's a nice uniform scrunch. Place it down. I'm going to loop it around just like that and do the exact same thing and scrunch. So it's a nice little loop. Going to do the same thing with this piece and place it down, and this piece and place it down. Perfect. Now I'm going to estimate the center, scrunch it, place it down, estimate the center, scrunch, place it down. Then just use one. There we go. Make sure everything's nice and tight. That's how it is starting off. These are going to be my spikes, but I want to ribbon cut them. So I fold it in half, open it at the bottom, fold at the top, and I just cut at a diagonal. And there we go. So I'm going to do this with all 3 pieces. There we go. I'm just going to take one, scrunch, place it down, same with the second one. Again, it's going to start getting difficult to keep everything in place. You can adjust it. Perfect. Now I'm going to take my glitter pieces and do the same thing I did with the white pieces. Scrunch it down, crisscross it, and then scrunch again. Just try to maneuver it. The glitter is a little stiffer, so it'll be a little more difficult to work with, but it's going to be so worth it. So this is what it's looking like. Almost done. Lastly, we are going to ribbon cut the end of our 12-inch long single piece. Estimate the center. And place that down first. actually going to add one more red glitter piece because I wanted a little more sparkle in my bow. Just going to place that down just like the others. Just like that. And you could leave it just like this if you'd like. Estimate the center. And for this one, I'm actually going to find the exact center. So I just fold it in half and I'm making a nice crease. So that's my center. Just going to scrunch it in place there. And this is the last one, so it's going to be the most difficult to keep in place. But just hold it as you fold. So as you see, I folded that side upright, and this one is going to fold downward. And let's get the wand in place so we can manipulate it a little bit. Just like that. Oh my gosh, this is so sweet and adorable. I love peppermint patterns, especially around the holidays. Now we are going to tie it. Be very careful. So we'll take the two ends and place it through the loop. And I actually hold my bow firmly in place before I do this. Pull nice and tight. And then one more time, I make sure everything looks nice. Adjust it before I remove it, because you don't really want to do too much adjusting after it's removed from the bodabra. Then I pull carefully. Remove it. Then I'm just going to keep tying it until I run out of bow wire. You could just cut it if you'd like, but I figured the extra security won't hurt. Then I'm going to secure it once more with a dot of glue. There we go. That's what it's looking like. Take your last glitter piece, tie it in a knot. This will serve as the center, right there. Just fine. Alright, so now we are going to get the clip. Put glue right there on the incline. And place the ribbon. Just like that. Flip it over. Gonna hot glue the entire bottom. And lastly, we're going to hot glue this down in the center. Just like that. Then we are going to take our bow, turn it over, and hot glue this down to the back of the bow. And there you go. This is the final product. So cute and sweet. Then you have the clip on the back. With the finished product. So cute and sweet peppermint hair bow. And then there's a clip on the back. So adorable.